Alright, so I just died, so welcome back to Virtual Monkey Gaming, the show where I play video games very poorly. Why is it freezing? I don't know. Let's try and figure that out. Seriously? Okay. That was weird. Oh yeah. Suck you up. Make you my buddy. I think that's the first time I've ever said those words. Sleeper. Really? Really? Right when I needed something good. Oh yeah, no, kill the only chance I have. Go for it. Oh god. This is going well. Ah! Ooh. That was close. Bah! Alright. Yes! Suplex. That's not gonna help me, but it's an awesome power. Let's go like this the whole time. Take my power! Alright, Bugsy should be able to kick some ass. Oh. I'm just gonna guard the whole time. Can't get me. Go on, Bugsy. Yeah! Yeah, you like that, I know you do. Bugsy's probably the most OP character in this game. Ooh, last stage. Now is it the day or D? I've gotten conflicting answers on that, so if you know definitively if it's the day or D, please like, comment, and subscribe. No, I'm just kidding. Just comment. That's all I'm asking. Come on. Just one comment. No. Alright. God, Bugsy. You know, that's a little overkill. No. I want parcel. But now I'm gonna get... Yay! Now I can go... Ooh, wait. Oh, I wanted to float gently down. Oh, right here. Let's kill this motherfucker. You're gonna die. You're gonna die. My friend's just jumping on your head. He's on fire. I know this is the easiest part of the series that is Kirby Superstar, but whatever. Bye-bye! Yeah, okay. I always like this. Because I guess King D was hoarding all this food, and now Kirby just got gigantic. God, I can't even read these things. June 6th. Pretty sure they weren't going for readability. Let's try the Great Cave Offensive. New game, yes. No. I said no. Alright. One thing about this that probably everybody in the comment section is going to be like, oh, I know exactly what that is. Shut up. Can I get down here? I know I can get down here somehow. I know it's probably like the end of this, whatever. It's always irked me. Get some Knuckle Joe power in here. Boop-a-doop-a-doop. Poof. I'll kill you with my breath. Got halitosis up in this bitch. Gold medal worth 10,000 G's. Not sure what G's are. Hoping they're gold. And I can knock this tiki head off and kill this flower. I really don't want to get rid of this power, also I already have a buddy. Oh, a gold coin. Don't see those every day. Where am I? Oh, I'm inside of a flower. Oh, dang it, I didn't mean to do that. Alright, whatever. I'll get crocodile power. No. I'll get Waddle Doo power. No. Get Waddle Doo power? Yeah. Ow, 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 ow. Crocodile motherfucker chewing on me. Now I know to do this. No, I did it wrong. Oh well. I'm not gonna cry over spilt lava. To the next door. Alright. Kill the Birdman. Not Larry Bird. Not that Birdman. He's my homie. He opened the door for my mom one day. True story. Ah! I'm going to attempt to do this one. It's probably the more difficult one to do. And go. No, I fucked it up. I think I have to have the bird power to do it. Or at least that makes it easier. Or can I just do this? Go, 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 go! Alright, fudge it. It's not that great. What? God, I am just wonderful at this game. Start all the way from the beginning. Hiya! Booyah! Alright. Yeah, you kicked right into my mouth. Come on, Knuckle Joe. You know, one year a while ago for, almost said for Christmas, for Halloween, I wanted to go dressed as like, with all my friends, and we all are like Kirby's with different powers. But it didn't translate well into the non-gamer community, and they just thought we were just weird kids. No. And yeah, see? I didn't fuck it up. Ooh, a whip. Sadly not made of licorice. Alright. Onward! I love that. I can bounce off my ally's head. I kind of want a Knuckle Joe, but oh well. On to the next room. Get rid of this dinky power. Spit it out. That's what she said. Anyway, yay. Whoa. I'm not sure what I did, but it was awesome. Alright, this is the one I can do. Hut. Fuck it. I did it like once in my entire lifetime and it was not worth the agony. Yeah, you better watch out. I'll shoot with my feathers. I kind of never understood why Kirby has a snorkel underwater. When a snorkel doesn't help you breathe underwater, in case you didn't know that, you dingus. What's this? Lucky Cat. 500 bucks. In the bank. Or gucks, I guess, since it's G. 500 gucks. Good. Do you have it? Gucks. I have it. I have it 9 times. You don't believe me? I don't believe me either. Guess we're at a standstill. This takes me back down to the Dinky Winky place. Alright. Wow. Hey. Huh. I don't like the way I fly with these feathers. Gosh. You know, I can do like the aerial ace move. And in there. Alright. You know what? You go away. Just for now. So I have to fly over this to get that treasure chest. Hey! Get away, bug. I'll punch you. Punch you. Hoo-yah. I threw you. And then you can go boop. And then go back over here. And grab it like a pro. Fuck! Oh, I'm on fire too. That's... Alright, that just literally burns my biscuits. Anyway, next time on Virtual Monkey... Get out of here. Anyway, next time on Virtual Monkey Gaming, we will continue the quest of Kirby Superstar. If you enjoy me playing this game, please like, comment, subscribe. If you don't like me playing this game, please like, comment, subscribe. And I'll see you tomorrow in the next episode. Alright? Bye.